I do appreciate that you're listening to me right now, because I can't stand the sound of my own voice. Because it's male, but it's not masculine. Like, you know I'm a guy, but I'm a guy the way a chihuahua is a dog. Like, I don't have the kind of voice that can say, they will take our land, but they will never take our freedom. I have the kind of voice that's like, yeah, they're taking the land. Yeah, I was just talking to them. They're taking the land. And the goats, and they're taking the women too. I am one of the women now, that's what they told me.